Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Last time we installed a fully fledged Kali Linux desktop on an Android device. This went pretty smoothly and not everyone is a great fan of Kali Linux. Every Kali Linux distro has its own advantages. So this time around, we will be installing an Ubuntu desktop on our Android device. With no further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Guys, for this video, I will be using my Samsung Galaxy tablet. This tablet is specifically the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1 2019, the SMT510. You can use any device you want as long as it runs on Android. Guys, this time also we need two apps installed on our device. One is Termux and other is the BVNC viewer. Guys, as you can see, this is my GitHub profile. So if you're going like this and you just saw my GitHub profile, you need to go to my repositories, and from there you need to select this repository called Termux scripts. So I'll be leaving the direct link to this repository on my description below. So make sure you always keep the description noted. And let me show you all the possible commands that I have added to this repository. So if you need an Ubuntu Linux desktop installation, you can just copy paste this command. I'm copy pasting this right now onto Termux. So let's go to Termux. Okay, here it is, and okay, let's wait for it to complete all this. So I'm just waiting, and once this is completed, let me just paste this right over here and hit enter. Okay, so it's asking for pkg install wget. So I have forgotten to tell you about that, so I'm just going to install that right now. Okay, install wget, and I'll be hitting enter. And yes, I think it's working, so let's wait for this to finish. Okay, I'm just going to hit enter. Okay, that's working. Okay, that's one. So I'm copy pasting that command from the website once more into here. Okay, and enter again. Okay. This is going to take some time, guys. So let's wait for some time till this finishes. Okay. Oh, it's asking for me if I want to continue, and like before, I'm just going to hit enter. So if anything comes in between just like this, you just need to keep pressing on enter. So that's the best choice that you can do. And yes, it's going on, and it's going to take about 30 minutes, I assume. So okay, it's asking for I just want to allow this. Okay. So guys, it's asking me for my username, so I'm just going to type in Midun, and I'm going to hit enter, and it's asking me for full name, so I'm just going to type in Midun again. That's my name. So yes, and it's asking me for a password, and I'm just going to give 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's asking me for a root password also, so I'm just going to give it the same. Okay, so yes, that's right. I'm just going to hit enter. Okay, this is going to take some while. So yes, and it's asking me for the password just right after now. And yes. Okay, it's going to install all of these. Okay, this is going to take some time again. So guys, as you can see, it's asking me for a time zone. So it's asking me for a time zone. So I'm just going to type in Asia, go up to Asia, and I'm going to hit enter. And from here, I'm just going to search for Kolkata, right? I mean, that's the time zone for India, Asia/Kolkata. And yes, here it is. Enter again. Yeah, it's going on. So now it's asking me for a language selection. So I'm just going to hit OK on English US. So that's the language I need. Okay, and it's asking me for a keyboard layout now, and that will also be English US. And yeah, let's continue. Okay, that's a lot of files, so this is going to take some time. So guys, it's asking me for a VNC password. So I'm just going to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes guys, okay. So it's just going on. So okay guys, our Ubuntu installation on Termux is completely done. So we did it guys, Ubuntu is running on Termux. So once this is done, you just need to go to the BVNC free viewer and then go into, here and type in, Ubuntu, and the VNC server is localhost, and the port is mostly supposed to be 5901. So let's keep it as such, and I'm going to give my name as the username, and the password is 123456. And after we did this, we just hit save, and okay, so it's just right over there. I'm just going to click on it. Okay, here it is guys, it is our Ubuntu desktop. It runs on XFCE, that's why it's just not, as it is it. So it's just not really the Ubuntu GNOME desktop that you get, this is the XFCE desktop. And yes, it works the same. I mean, I'll just show you right now. See, that's the terminal. So that's it guys, we finally installed Ubuntu desktop on our, inside Termux on an Android device. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, keep subscribe and also like this video if you think this was helpful, and also guys, see you next time, goodbye.